Hi guys, it seems everyone and their dog makes walking tour types of videos because it's easy and doesn't require too much effort. Now, watching a few of these myself, I find that these walking videos are pretty much poor quality, to be honest. And I'm not talking about the quality of the video resolution, but of the actual filming. Now, I see so many videos of walking tours, even those with many followers, where the creator obviously has no idea what they're doing. They're just waving their stabilized camera around pretty much like a lunatic without any care. So if you make walking videos, in this video I'm going to give you some tips to make sure they stand out from the crowd and ensure that your walking videos don't suck. Okay, number one, the first tip is to think about the viewer watching the video when you're doing some panning. Now I see so many examples of seemingly endless panning in one direction than another. Now, a really long panning shot can make the viewer almost nauseous, especially if done at speed as the scene flashes by. Now, a good walking video will have minimal panning shots and any presence will have a short duration. Now, when walking, don't just point at the camera at everything you see. Look with your eyes first, and only when you think it's worth showing, then point your camera at it. Number two, always show something with intention and purpose. Now, if you pan or you tilt the camera, nothing looks more amateur than if your camera starts to move in one direction and then moves in a completely different direction. Number three, now I see many walking tours where the person starts a video at the place where they parked the car or they got out of public transport. Now, often this is in some back street of town or perhaps not the most picturesque streets. Now, I know every single town has its unattractive areas, but I don't really want to see them, so why show them? Don't show me reality, sell me the dream, so just film the nice parts of the town and leave out the crappy bits. But this does require a knowledge and effort of editing, so the vast majority of walking tours clearly have no editing at all and give the impression to the viewer that the creator is just lazy. They hit record, walk around randomly and just upload whatever footage they have. So this becomes quite boring to watch. Now, I don't really want to watch someone randomly walking around a town somewhere for about 20 minutes, let alone 1.5 hours. It's just plain boring. So for the love of God, please edit the videos. Next, exposure. Now, nothing looks more amateur than exposure changing mid-shot. So rather than relying on automatic exposure, use manual exposure to keep the exposure constant. Now, you should find that the exposure shouldn't change too much in a short distance, so set it appropriately and then just periodically check and tweak as necessary. Now, that's pretty much my main bugbears and tips for producing a much better walking video. So if you follow my tips, and next time you make a walking tour video, your videos will certainly get better and improve over time and stand out among the gazillion other walking videos out there. Now, I really do hope you find these videos useful, guys. I really do appreciate if you could give it a thumbs up, and of course please subscribe to the channel to keep this channel going. I hope you find it useful, so please support it. Take care, and I shall see you soon on another video.